Hello everyone, so today is 5th of June and let's discuss what's happening in the market. Everyone is confused and why, and what we discussed in the last video. So in the last video we clearly discussed that today if market opens such a gap up like as XGX Nifty was rallying, so then the FIIs would be in a huge loss, and then we have to observe what the FIIs are doing. Okay. And yes, so the thing is that in the morning we clearly analyzed, that is when this dip was coming. So I mean in the very first in the morning when this dip was coming, red candles, so then we correctly analyzed here, that is here, that an upward pull is very likely 9:37 a.m. So it's the same Telegram channel, you can see. Okay. So yes, an upward pull is very likely as of the signals I am getting. So I mean market was giving a small dip because the big call writers were closing there. Okay, so this was the analysis why I said that an upward pull is likely, and we may see some up moves, while I said that while market was falling in the morning. Okay. And yes, and also looking at the indicator, if you notice here, the score jumped sharply here, like 11 to 57, and then the score fell, but again here it jumped at 33. Okay, so while adjustment goes on, so this is what happens. Okay, so I mean the score decreases and increases at the same time, and also at the very first hour, since a huge adjustment goes on, so that's why the score fluctuates, but later on it stabilizes. Okay, so later on you see it stabilizes. So why? Because the in the money call writers were closing. Okay, and the out of the money call writers were making their positions, as well as suddenly a huge chunk of put writers also came and made their positions. Okay, and as you can see here, the score jumped at 9:33 also, and later on at 9:39 also there was a jump in the score, and even here also Bank Nifty, the score jumped from 17 to 62 at 9:33. So if you see here at 9:33 what was happening, Nifty was making 9:30 to 9:35 this candle. Later on was also it went somewhat below, but here score increased sharply. Again Bank Nifty, this is the candle from 9:30 to 9:35. So Bank Nifty was falling, and the score increased sharply, which gave us the signal that an upward pull can happen. And yes, there was an upward pull even in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, but the thing is that there were some other big guys who were trying to take the market up, which is basically being seen in this volume candle, as you can see. So but market did not go up because the FIIs are somehow controlling their positions. They are selling, as you can see, for the last 2 days they are selling, and that's the reason market did not go further up. And also let's discuss the end of the day data. So yes, what's the end of the day data is saying? So if someone is telling you that call writing has been done in huge quantity today, so the end of the day data, you can very well see that the majority of the positions that have been, yes, I'm not saying call writing hasn't been done, but the majority of the positions that have been taken are on the put side. So put writing has been done. Okay, so by the prop decks as well as by the FIs, put writing has been done, and also call writing has been done. Okay, but majorly put writing has been done, and that with also you see that some futures long also have been done, and now futures long and futures short, their ratio is almost 1:1. So you can't decide. For the prop decks also almost the same. So futures saying that both the side moves, as well as the option chain is also saying that we will see both the side moves, because both the sides they have taken writing positions, and now I think they would take the markets on both the sides, and finally market would be moving nowhere, and they would be eating the premiums on both the sides. That's what their plan is. Okay, for as of now. And also talking about Nifty expiry tomorrow, the put writing that you see, so also has been done in Nifty. So a little below the at the money. Okay, if you go and do put trading, so I think it will be a safe one. So again, no recommendation or anything, it's my analysis. I can go 100% wrong. So if you want such analysis even during the market hours, you are almost welcome to be a part of our indicator and our channel. So yes, now let's talk about the thing, that is, if market moves, okay, both the sides, so what could happen? So what are the major resistance? So yeah, so the major level, as you can see here, that is for Nifty, it would be like 18,609 to, let's go to 1-day chart. So 18,609 to almost, like, if it even goes up, let's say, near about 18,700. So let's zoom in a little bit here. So last time it got resistance here, that is 18,680. Okay, so at around that, that's the final up move that we are expecting under this consolidation that we are expecting. And below it can go till 18,000, near about 18,500, and so on. So these are the major levels for Nifty, in between which it can consolidate. Okay, so that's the thing. And so I'm not talking about a very huge range. So if you see the range here, that is all I'm saying is that let's take it from 18,520. Okay, so let's take it from 18,520, or maybe let's take from 18,500 to 18,680 or 670. Okay, so that means 160 points. Okay, or maybe just take 150 points. So this, within this 150 points or 170 points, Nifty can move both the sides. And sorry, this is Nifty. Okay, so let me open BankNifty. Yeah, so for BankNifty, as you can see, like, again, the major levels will be like 44,500 above, where call writing has been done, and below you can take 43,700. Okay, so below that, or maybe like, let's go a little below, that is 43,500. Okay, so again, for BankNifty, 1,000 points to, maybe you can narrow it down to 800 to 700 points also, as I said, like here, that is 43,700 to 800 to 44,500. Okay, so 700 to 800 points, it can be narrowed down. So again, as you can see, like the past 3 days, whatever is happening, so today also in 1-day chart, you can very well see it's a flat market. And also if we come here into 1-day chart, so again we'll see it's a flat market. So again, these flatness can continue at least for tomorrow. So again, we will analyze the end of the day data tomorrow and we'll see. But for now, what my final verdict is, that it would be a consolidation phase. So both the side moves can come, not very good for the option buyers, but for the option buyers, there is one strategy, that is, if you see a huge move on either side, then obviously the other side will be at a loss, and then maybe market, like suppose market suddenly, for Nifty, let's take the example of Nifty. If Nifty suddenly moves up to 18,670, okay, so the call writers at 18,600, they will be at a loss. Okay, so then market can again move down to help them recover. So that's those advantages you can take. Or maybe market falls to 18,500, then today the put writers at 18,600, they will be at a loss, the big guys I'm talking about. So like this, you can, like, then the market will recover. Okay, so these advantages you can take, but you have to wait for the perfect opportunity. Okay, so that's what option buyers can do. But yeah, for the writers, you just go a little bit far out of the money and short both the sides, call as well as put. Okay, and that's again not a recommendation, anything. That's what I'll be doing. okay, and what my analysis, what my studies, and what I think I'm sharing, okay, so that it can be helpful for your trading purposes or for learning purposes or whatever purpose, okay. But your profit, you are responsible for your profit or loss. I am not responsible in any way. And yes, so if my analysis is helping you, as you have seen for the past every day, so I've given the analysis. Just go and check every day and look at the next day if my analysis went wrong or right. So for the last past 2 weeks, every day market is working, by the grace of God, market is working according to our analysis. So I hope it continues, and so if you are finding this helpful, please do share this knowledge among the other traders who need such help, and please don't forget to put a like. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.